हाँ जी guys आज मैं आपको बड़ी एक सीक्रेट शॉर्टकट बताता हूँ. Part of my CSA principle, right? Is basically तो when a person comes here, they can easily reach $10,000-12,000 level, but for any reason if they are not able to reach, this is for those people who are struggling in this country. You can basically save rent. You can save the entire rent. And what's the secret shortcut? Simple thing. You can live van life. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube regarding van life. So all you need is a van in which the second seats they can be laid flat. That's simple. That's what you need. And you should buy 24/7 fitness. That's a gym membership, which is only $20 a month in Costco. You should get it through Costco. It's only for $20 a month. And once you get that membership, you are good to go. You can take a shower there. You can do it. You can basically be able to take a shower, right? So you will take a shower. You can go to restroom there. Use all the facilities every day in the morning. And for eating out, you should keep. So yeah, main thing is like you need to keep something like a stove or something, electric stove. You shouldn't keep you can keep a propane stove also to cook things. Yeah, a simple propane stove, single burner propane stove, just for $15-20. So yeah, you may be spending maybe $1,000, but once you spend this $1,000, and you obviously will be buying a van, so you need a big battery also. Sometimes you need a big, you should know a big battery. These are the things that I found amazing. I saw some van videos, and I saw what all is possible, what all they can do, and what all you can, whatever you need. And these are the things which struck me, and I'm repeating those here. These are the things which I think are very important. Like 24/7 membership, 24/7 fitness membership was the perfect thing. I didn't have this in my mind at least. So when I saw this, I was like, man, this is an answer to all the problems. So you need a big battery. You need to be able to run an AC without, if you actually you're going in the hot regions in your van life, then you may need an AC. Achha, where do you sleep? You sleep in the hospital's parking lot. That's one of the hacks that someone has said. So that's another way. So that's another thing you need to keep in mind. That's what I liked. So you watch a few van life videos, you'll get a very good idea about this. I'm not planning to do this, but if you're planning to do this, you can use it. And this will definitely work. This will work. I'm telling you, this will work. Yeah, you can keep living in a van, and then you go from one place to another. When I was a consultant long time back, I could do that. I just didn't, but I could do that. And actually, 2 people can do it easily. In van life, 2 people can live easily. So there is enough room for 2 people to live. So park it in a hospital, in a safe place, or in a public place. Like public places are basically, let's say, some forest or something. Yeah, you can put it in the wild. Just park it there and sleep there, and then spend the night. Next day, go to 24/7. Get ready, go to office, do whatever you want. Then come in the same van. Yeah, then once you're done with the office, you can set up a TV or something. You can set up a TV. You can set up a computer. Everything in there. You definitely need a big battery. There are $500 batteries that people are recommending. Just don't worry about $500, $600, because you're saving almost $1,000, $2,000 in rent per month. So $500 one time is nothing in comparison to $24,000 per year that you'll save, and that too after tax income. $24,000 is after tax income. These are all the H1B holders. By the way, how do you solve the mailbox problem? There is a thing called, always take UPS store mailbox. Okay, there are maybe other better than this, but I personally feel UPS store mailbox, and then there is Anytime mailbox. So these 2 mailboxes I highly recommend. No link here. I don't want to make $5 and $10 every time and all that. I'm not interested in making money this way. So no affiliate link. You can yourself Google UPS. I highly recommend this. There may be definitely better things than this. I'm not in any way. I'm not trying to say I'm an expert of what kind of mailbox is there, but these are the ones I've used, and they work really well. Anything else, I have no guarantee. I don't know what will happen. So I used some other mailbox company before, and something happened. They filed for bankruptcy, and my mail stopped getting delivered to me. So some of those are important emails. So in fact, when you are living in a house, like when you are a consultant or something, and you're moving around, let's say you're a student now, you'll be moving around a lot. It's better to have a mailbox. Anytime mailbox would be ideal in that sense. Then all your mails will be delivered there, and then you're good, right? You don't have to worry about mails getting lost. So, but the only thing is, for certain things you need physical address, like for DL and all those things. But yeah, then you take help from some friend. but in general, you know, this is how you can do it. Okay, so van life is the answer to rent problems. If you are, you know, not making enough money and you are in this country, live a van life. Yeah, obviously you need a license before. So just as you land in America, get a license and start living a van life. You will not be safe, you will not be paying anything in the rent once you make this small investment. By the way, you can have a good van, which is always by Toyota or Honda vans. That way you don't have to worry about you know, the quality of the car. You can buy for $5,000-6,000. You can buy a really good van in America. So buy a good van, $5,000-6,000. You're good to go. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much.